You have an archive of all your emails in a single MBOX file. To browse them, search them, or read them, you need a mail client like Thunderbird. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's set up the import. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful MBOX inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. An MBOX file is a standard format for storing collections of email messages. Each message is concatenated together with a from line indicating the start of a new message. MBOX files are commonly used by email clients like Thunderbird for archiving and exporting email data. They provide a simple and portable way to store email archives. MBOX files are plain text files, making them relatively easy to parse and process. The format relies on the from line to delineate individual messages. While simple, the format can be susceptible to corruption if not handled carefully. Various tools and libraries exist for reading and writing MBOX files. They are essential for Thunderbird and import operations. To gain full access to MBOX, the application needed is Mozilla Thunderbird from Mozilla. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows may load the file, but rich text and attachments need email-aware tools to display correctly. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your MBOX file and select Open With. If Mozilla Thunderbird is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If the MBOX file is still giving you trouble, relax. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, use an email client. Open the file using a compatible email client such as Mozilla Thunderbird, Apple Mail, or Eudora. Next, use MBOX Converter. Use a third-party MBOX Converter tool to export the contents to a universal format like PST or EML. Finally, import into client. If using Thunderbird, go to Tools, Import/Export Tools, and select Import MBOX File. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.